What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to maximize fruit production on a persimmon tree. The persimmon tree right here is my Giambo astringent Asian persimmon tree. It is only entering its 3rd season, so it's still just a baby, and I can already tell that it's going to have an incredible harvest this year. That's because I made sure to set up my tree for success and to maximize harvest by pruning it to a very specific form. This tree was much taller than it used to be, but every year I cut it back to maintain this wide branching low form with a fairly open center. And that is how you can set your tree up to maximize your harvest because of the way persimmons grow. That's because persimmons fruit on the new wood that grows each season. So if you can see all of this new wood that is growing, these are the side shoots. They contain the persimmon flowers. So these are all brand new persimmon flowers. So I specifically pruned my tree in such a way that it would have low, wide branching to encourage lots of new shoots, because all of these new shoots that are going to come off is what is going to have all of the flowers, and you can see them everywhere on this tree. Every winter I make sure to cut my persimmon tree back so it has low branching, and I remove any branches that are growing into the tree so it has a fairly open center. And that is what leads to all of this side branching, and this new wood is what is going to have all of the new flowers on it. So as you can see, I already have dozens, if not hundreds, of flowers on this persimmon tree already, and it has only just started to bud out. And because of the way I pruned it, as the season progresses, it is going to produce more and more side shoots that are going to have more and more flowers all over it. This persimmon tree right here is my non-astringent Ichikeika Jiro tree, which is only entering its 2nd full season in ground. And it was twice as tall as this, but I made sure to cut it down during the winter while it was still dormant and opened up the center to encourage more and more side branching, which is going to have all of those persimmon flowers on it. So the sooner in life you can train your tree low and open, the better. And because I made sure to cut this tree back and encourage lots of side branching, I'm already being rewarded with nice new flowers. If you want to learn how to winter prune your dormant persimmon trees for maximum production, I'll place a link in the video description that will show you exactly how to encourage low branching and open up that center so you can have the best harvest possible. And if your trees haven't yet broken winter dormancy, it's not too late to prune them. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.